And afterwards, hindi pa po tayo tapos and we will still have more messages from our LGU Gensan. At this juncture, we are honored to have with us no less than the Mayor of General Santos City, Honorable Lorely Geronimo Pacquiao. Mayor Pacquiao will share the city government's initiatives on ease of doing business and accept the city's commendation. Please welcome Mayor LGP Lorely Geronimo Pacquiao.
Good morning and magandang Gensan!
Once again, thank you so much, Honorable Mayor Lorely Geronimo Pacquiao of the City of General Santos. To showcase the effectiveness of the city's ease of doing business initiatives, we present the video testimonies from two clients who recently engaged with the General Santos City government. They will share their experiences and illustrate how the Electric Business One-Stop Shop, or EBOS, has positively impacted their transactions. Magandang Gensan! Isa pa po, wow, home of the champions po ang ating isasagot. Magandang Gensan!
Ladies and gentlemen, a splendid morning to each and every one of you. I am LD Barrientos from the Anti-Red Tape Authority Eastern Mindanao Regional Field Office.
And I am Harlan from Philippine Information Agency, and together we are thrilled to be your host for this momentous event. The Bagong Pilipinas Town Hall Meeting, awarding a certificate of commendation and media conference. Indeed, we are honored to be joined by distinguished leaders and innovators from the local government unit of the City of General Santos and from the various government agencies in the metro as well, who are at the forefront of shaping our nation's government landscape. Your presence underscores the importance of our collective commitment to transformative governance and efficient government service delivery. Our first speaker is Ms. Riley H. Sandoval, the City Director of DILG General Santos City. Ms. Sandoval will enlighten us with the Department of Interior and Local Government's support and initiatives towards the vision of Bagong Pilipinas. Please extend a warm welcome to City Riley H. Sandoval. Thank you so much, DICT Region 12. Now moving forward, we will dive into an overview of Republic Act 11032 and its salient provisions. This presentation will be delivered by the Attorney 3 of ARTA Eastern Mindanao Regional Field Office, Attorney Lord Anthony A. Puson. Let's welcome him with enthusiastic applause.
So, once again, good morning. Magandang Gensan.